If this is your first time using a Baiardo, you're going to want to power it on. There's a power switch underneath the right-hand side of the base. You're going to flip that switch on. Your screen will light up. Your tension head is going to test, and it's going to go through some other calibration here on the machine. You can see it check through and testing everything, whether it be the motor, the tilt, the base, etc. It only takes a couple seconds, and it does go through that every time. Once it's completed, it will take you to the home screen. Now your home screen has two options. You can do traditional stringing, which is just stringing on the machine as is. I think that is quite wasteful, as it does not use any of the features of the machine. And I think if you're going to pay a high price tag for this machine, you might as well use it. So we're going to select best stringing methods. It comes with Wilson preset as a stringer. So I'm going to update and override that stringing profile, leaving it in pounds versus kilograms, as that's what we typically use here in the States. I'm going to plug in my height. I do stand on a Wilson stringing mat, which is great for my feet, so I add about another inch to make that as realistic as possible. Then you're going to have your control panel, which is a couple tools just to the right of the arrow. We're going to hit that. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the sound. When we have all of these machines going, it gets quite loud and annoying. So we always turn off the sound. The second thing that you're going to want to do is then hit the back button. Okay. And then you can hold on your knot, and this can set your preset tension for your knot tension. So you can touch at the top of the screen to make it go up. You can hit the bottom of the screen to go down. Sadly, we cannot divulge what our Wilson number is when we string on tour, so we'll just click yes, and I'll update that later. Finally, on the bottom, you have a couple different things. You see this kind of horseshoe looking thing is the side or the profile of the machine. If you hit that, it's going to come up to my height. And then as I string for mains and crosses, you have your additional mains and crosses features here. And that is it. Your machine is set up. We do recommend giving it a full cleaning, which we have a video for as well. And then you are ready to string.